Hello, everyone.
Welcome back.
I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom.
How are you today?
I'm great, thank you.
Today, we're talking about weather.
Weather is a very useful topic.
You can talk about weather with everyone.
Let's begin.
So, Tom, what's the weather like today?
Let me look out the window. It's sunny today.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes, very sunny.
Is it hot?
No, not hot. It's warm.
Warm is nice.
I like warm weather.
Me too.
And it's not too hot, not too cold.
Perfect weather.
I love days like this.
Me too.
We're lucky today.
We really are. The sky looks beautiful.
Should we open the window?
Good idea.
Let the fresh air in.
Do you like sunny days, Tom?
I love sunny days.
Why do you like them?
Let me think. When it's sunny, I feel happy.
That's a good reason.
The sky is blue. Everything looks beautiful.
I agree.
What about you? Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I do. On sunny days, I like to go outside.
Where do you go?
I go to the park.
The park is nice.
I walk in the park. Or I sit and read a book.
That sounds relaxing.
It is.
What do you do when it's very hot?
When it's very hot, I go to the beach.
The beach. That's a great idea.
I love swimming when it's hot.
Me too. The water is cool and refreshing.
Exactly.
And maybe some ice cream after.
Oh, yes. Ice cream on a hot day is perfect.
I agree completely.
Now, what about cloudy days?
Cloudy days are okay.
Just okay.
Well, I prefer sunny days. But cloudy days are not bad.
That's true.
Sometimes clouds are pretty.
Yes, they are.
And it's not too bright.
Good point.
You don't need sunglasses on a cloudy day.
That's right.
But what happens when the clouds are very dark?
Dark clouds. That usually means rain is coming.
Rain. Do you like the rain, Lucy?
I do, actually.
Really?
Yes, I like rain.
Tell me why.
I like to stay inside when it rains.
Inside is cozy.
Exactly. I make a cup of hot tea.
That sounds nice.
And I read a book or watch a movie.
Perfect rainy day activities.
What about you? Do you like rain?
I like it sometimes, but not when I have to go outside.
Oh, that's not fun.
You need an umbrella
A big umbrella.
and maybe rain boots.
Rain boots are fun.
They are?
Yes. You can jump in puddles.
Oh, I remember that. When I was a child, I loved jumping in puddles.
Me too.
My mother would say, "Tom, no."
But you did it anyway.
Of course.
That's funny.
It was so much fun.
Rain can be fun.
Yes, it can.
And rain is important.
Why is it important?
Plants and trees need water.
That's true.
Everything looks so green after rain.
Fresh and clean.
Exactly.
Okay, what about wind?
Windy days.
Yes, when the air moves a lot.
I like windy days in autumn.
Why autumn?
The leaves are red and yellow.
Beautiful colors.
The wind makes them dance.
That's a nice image.
It is.
But sometimes wind is very strong.
True.
One time, the wind blew my hat off.
Oh no.
I had to run to catch it.
Did you get it back?
Yes, but it was funny.
What can you do on a windy day?
You can fly a kite.
A kite. That's perfect for wind.
The kite goes high in the sky.
It looks like a bird.
It does.
Now let's talk about cold weather.
Brr! Cold.
When you need warm clothes.
Yes, a warm coat.
And a scarf.
I love scarves.
What colour is your scarf?
It's blue. What about you?
I have a red scarf.
Nice.
Do you like cold weather?
I do. The air is fresh and crisp.
I agree.
And on cold days, I drink hot chocolate
Hot chocolate.
with marshmallows on top.
That sounds delicious.
It is.
What happens when it's very, very cold?
When it's very cold, sometimes it snows.
Snow.
Beautiful white snow.
Does it snow where you live?
No, it doesn't snow here.
Me neither. I have to travel to see snow.
I saw snow one time.
Really? Where?
I went to the mountains.
What was it like?
It was magical. Everything was white and quiet.
Wow.
So beautiful.
What did you do in the snow?
We made a snowman
A snowman.
with a carrot for the nose.
That's so cute.
And we had a snowball fight.
A snowball fight sounds fun.
It was very fun. But my hands were cold.
You need gloves.
Yes, good gloves are important.
Snow is amazing.
It really is.
So we talked about many types of weather.
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy.
Hot, warm, cool, cold.
And snowy.
That's a lot of weather words.
They're easy to learn.
Yes, they are.
Now, the big question.
I'm ready.
What is your favorite type of weather?
My favourite. Let me think. I think my favourite is a cool, sunny autumn day.
Autumn.
Yes. The air is crisp and fresh.
And the sun is shining.
Yes, but it's not hot. I can wear my favourite sweater.
Cozy.
And I love the colourful leaves.
Red, yellow, and orange.
So beautiful.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you, Tom? What's your favourite weather?
That's hard to choose. But I think I like warm, sunny days.
Warm and sunny.
Yes. Not too hot. Just warm.
Why is that your favourite?
Because I can do anything. I can be outside. Or inside with the window open.
Fresh air.
Exactly. I feel happy. And energetic.
That's a great choice.
Thank you.
So we both like sunny days.
But at different temperatures.
That's right.
Everyone has their favorite.
Let's review some important phrases.
Great idea.
What's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
It's sunny today.
It's sunny today.
I like warm weather.
I like warm weather.
It's raining outside.
It's raining outside.
I need an umbrella.
I need an umbrella.
It's very cold.
It's very cold.
The wind is strong.
The wind is strong.
I love snowy days.
I love snowy days.
Excellent.
You did so well.
Weather is a great conversation topic.
You can use it with anyone.
When you meet someone new,
You can say, nice weather today, isn't it?
Or it's quite cold, isn't it?
Easy and friendly.
Perfect for beginners.
Great job today, everyone.
You learned so many weather words.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Tell us in the comments.
What's the weather like where you are?
And what's your favourite type of weather?
We love to read your comments.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Keep practicing your English.
Pronounce faster.